Hello, welcome to HDMI LA's Computex 2024 booth. I'm excited to be here. I have a longtime guest, longtime friend, Roy from Elka. Elka, please introduce yourself and your company.
Yeah, thanks, Rob. My name is Roy Ting. I'm the president of Elka International. We are a leading manufacturer of high-quality HDMI cables, and other harnesses. We have been involved with HDMI for over 20 years. And also we have production facilities located in Taiwan, China, and Southeast Asia countries. So that's pretty much what we do.
And we've been working with them for a long, long time, so we appreciate it. Early adopter, making some of the original HDMI cables here. So we're halfway through 2024. During the pandemic, cables were flying off the shelves, and we know there was challenges, supply chain issues, things like that. 2023, things sort of slowed down. How is business? What are things looking like in 2024?
I think most customers, they have too much inventory. So last year, actually, they were trying hard to reduce their inventory, but we feel that the inventory right now has been stabilized, and we began to see the procurement activities resume. So we are pretty optimistic about for this year. And also, we see some application, the demand for some certain application increased, such as like in the medical field, gaming, especially the gaming. I think gaming console drive the HDMI cables a lot, especially for the ultra high speed cables. So we feel that this year it's not it's and definitely the worst time has passed, and it's steady growing up, and we hope that by the end of the year we can have a very good result, and we believe so. Yeah.
Well, it's very positive to hear. We're hearing similar things that the industry is starting to pick up again. So it's always great to hear that.
Yeah.
Also, Elka's been a very long time participant in our cable certification program. HDMI LA, we invest a lot of money in ensuring cables are certified, tested, and are not counterfeit. Counterfeit cables are very problematic in the marketplace for consumers and for OEMs who bundle that. You've been involved in our premium cable program, in our ultra high speed cable program. So your customers, so I know you sell to a lot of big brands who put their brands on your cables and sell those or bundle those. What do they feel about the cable certification programs that your cables go through?
Yeah, I think the certification program is very, very important. Almost all of our customers, they are very positive about the premium certification, ultra high speed certification, and the labels, because by putting up the labels on the product, you help the end customers to easily recognize that is a quality product than counterfeit. And for the counterfeit product or untested product, they will ruin the user experience, and also ruin the name of HDMI. Of course, and also that will damage our customers, our business. So we really appreciate HDMI licensing implement such a certification program and the labels. And we beyond this, we also appreciate that HDMI LA actively buy back the certified product from the market to ensure you have a stable production quality, not just only good for the certified samples, but to keep for those who got certification, you have to maintain a stable production quality. So we really appreciate that, and that could also help us company like us to differentiate from those non-certified factories.
And as Roy points out there, we buy products in the marketplace and we test them at authorized test centers to ensure they still fall within the testing and certification parameters.
Yeah.
And Elka knows very well, and they maintain a very strict manufacturing process to ensure you stay within those tolerances.
I know it's costly for you to buy back from the market at the retail price, and also not to mention the cost for the testing, sending back to the lab for testing. But it really helped, and we encourage you to continue to do that. Yeah, and also I think you spend a lot of effort working with the government to intercept the counterfeit from the border, at the border control. That could be also very, very helpful. Yeah, we really appreciate that.
Yeah, so as Roy mentioned there, we work very closely with customs in various countries throughout the world. If we do find counterfeit cables, they do get seized and destroyed. We also do factory raids where we find counterfeit products being manufactured. We work with local authorities. They go in, they seize the goods, and prosecute as necessary. So, there's a lot of enforcement that goes on, but we really appreciate players like Elka who take the time to ensure high quality cables reach the end consumer.
Yeah, we think HDMI is a good standard, and it should be there, and the standard is advancing over time. So we really want to grow with HDMI. Yeah, we've been together with 20 years. We would definitely like to grow with you for the next 10 years.
Excellent. Yeah. Well, same here. One last question. What's new, exciting? What have you seen at Computex?
Yeah, as I mentioned that we see some demand from medical field. Okay. So actually we released a new product, fiber transmitter and receiver, so which can transmit HDMI over fiber, so you can transmit over a long distance. And also because of the pure fiber transmission, that means you don't have any issues with EMI, which is very good for the medical field. So think about if you need a cable from the OR to outside so that other doctors can watch the surgery, the whole process of the surgery. You need a long cable transmission, but you don't want any EMI interference. So that's the new product we released this year. And we are also aiming at some automated optical inspection system. So that would also need very reliable cables, but without the EMI. So, and I think that's also what we see, that HDMI is not only in the consumer electronics segment, but also expand to other sectors. So that's why we also look optimistic about HDMI.
Well, Roy, we thank you very much for being a long-time cable supplier to the HDMI ecosystem. Thank you for stopping by the HDMI booth at Computex.
Yeah, I'm very honored. Thank you.
Bye now.
Yeah, bye.